Sapa, situated in the northern highlands of Vietnam, is a charming destination renowned for its natural beauty and cultural richness. Tucked amidst the Hoang Lian Sun mountain range, Sapa boasts cascading terraced rice fields that create a lush, green landscape. The region is also home to diverse ethnic communities, including the Hmong, Dao, and Tay, each with its unique traditions and vibrant attire. Sapa offers a haven for outdoor enthusiasts with trekking and hiking trails leading to stunning waterfalls, hidden caves, and panoramic viewpoints that showcase the picturesque valleys. Visitors can immerse themselves in local culture through homestays and explore the vibrant Sapa market for unique textiles, crafts, and delectable cuisine. Sapa's cool, misty climate makes it a year-round destination for travelers seeking an escape into Vietnam's natural and cultural wonders.